Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
Yes, איזה כיף תחת של כלב מול הפנים. וואו!
이거 과샤거든.